Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders!
There! All finished! Carve away, Tabs!
That's very nice.
Whoa! Whoopsie! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and that's... Tabs!
I'm Peter.
That was a big sigh, Peter. Is something wrong?
Yeah, I'm a little sad.
Why are you sad? It's Halloween. I think a spider would love Halloween.
Oh yeah, it's my favorite holiday. But no one ever invites me to their parties because I'm too scary.
That's a great idea, Tabs. We'll throw Peter a Halloween party and invite all of our Halloweeny friends to meet him.
Really? For me? Thank you!
I wonder, how do you throw the best Halloween party?
Ooh, I know! I'm a Halloween expert. First, we need spooky decorations to set the mood, and I know spooky.
Yeah!
You know what else we need? Halloween snacks for everyone.
How about worms? Gummy worms!
Oh, don't forget the scary cupcakes.
And a finishing spooky touch, Halloween fruit punch.
Now we just need Halloween costumes. I'm going as a pirate. Yar!
I'm a construction worker. Nice avocado costume, Tabs. Dressing up is so much fun. Ooh, our guests! Right on time!
Oh, goody! Oh, goody! Wait a minute. Just one guest?
Yeah!
Hello! Don't mind if I do. This is the best Halloween party ever.
When ghosts get really eerie and pumpkins very cheery, witches do entrance and black cats start to dance. Spiders spin their webs and skeletons lose their heads. It's the scariest time you've ever seen. Must be Halloween.
My very first Halloween party. And I got to make so many new friends.
And now I have the answer to my question. How do you throw the best Halloween party? To throw the best Halloween party, you need fun decorations, yummy snacks and treats, a good costume, and great friends. Upload answer tabs.
Thanks so much for a fun party, Blippi.
You're welcome, Peter.